switch on this fan a little bit? It's a little uncomfortable. Okay. Finish your report?
Yes, sir.
Outdoor activity, as you have done with us, is basically same task. There is no change whether you do indoor or outdoor. Only thing is performance changes, but the spirit of performance does not change. Spirit of performance is very, very clear. You have a contribution. You contribute in the group task by virtue of thinking, analyzing, logic, reasoning, and come forward. So the second step becomes whatever you contribute, you give logic along with it. You give reason along with it. You give justification. You give amplification. You give example, statistics, figure, advantages, disadvantages, whatever you want to give to support your thought process. Whether it is indoor or outdoor, if you notice, it is the same. There is no change. And third is, as I told you earlier also, whenever you are doing the group task, your bottom line is remain well-meaning towards one another. There is no need to feel threatened. There is no need to get into a rat race competition amongst yourselves. Reason. You are not competing with anybody. Basically, you are trying to show that this is what is you. This is what I am. And then that person will take a decision with this kind of a personality. Is he trainable? If he is trainable to a desired level, he will recommend you for training. This candidate and this candidate, while performing, are not in competition. Once you are not in competition, then why do you think ill of somebody? There is the need. Do your bit and forget it. Things will happen better. But if you get into a rat race, as I told you earlier, there are only two options. Either you win or you lose. Nothing more. There can be no draw with a rat race. Whether you win or you lose, one thing is sure, that you are a rat. By rat I do not mean rodent. By rat I mean a third-rate person. Whether you win or you lose, one thing is certain, that you are a rat. And rats can never be leaders. So, very simple equation works. Please do not get into a mode of intra-psychic competition with that chap. Oh, I will let him down. Whatever he will say, I will cut his points. This chap is speaking very well. So, whatever he is saying, I have to speak opposite of him so that I can create an impression. No. Call right a right, wrong a wrong, as per your thinking, and support it with your logic and reasoning. You will find things will come your way. This is one. There is no difference between indoor and outdoor. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now, certain salient or important factors of outdoor works. When the task is given, firstly you must understand the rules very clearly. All the 5 rules. Group rule, group constituting, you, helping materials, and load. This is the group. Second rule, rule of infinity. Start line and finish line both extend to infinity, both sides. And mathematics says lines stretched to infinity when parallel shall not meet. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore you cannot avoid the tasks from a side by a detour. Or those of you who are physics students, shunt. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Is there a word in electricity by name shunt?
Yes, sir.
You cannot have a shunt. 3 is rule of the color. Red color,
No contact.
don't touch. White color,
Friendly color.
friendly color, touch. You, helping material, and everything touches. Those of you who are new may be finding it a little different, don't worry. In a day or two you will start understanding everything. Blue color,
Friendly to living.
absolutely friendly to living and unfriendly to non-living. That means non-living items cannot get in direct contact. You can hold the non-living item and stand on glue. Allowed, not allowed?
Allowed.
Sure, good. Next, the next one is the rule of the rigid. What does that say? One. Yes.
So both rigid cannot be tied.
Both rigid cannot be tied. Okay. What else?
Both rigid helping material can
Yes. Good. Very well qualified. What is both rigid? Structure is also rigid. Both rigid helping materials cannot be tied to make it longer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What is the fifth rule?
Rule of distance.
Rule of the distance. Yes.
One cannot jump more than 3 feet.
Correct. More than 3 feet distance horizontally. Vertically. You cannot jump. If you jump more than 3 feet, it is violation. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now these are the 5 rules. If you commit a mistake, how do you rectify it?
Like coming
one step behind, sir.
Self-correction. By taking
One step.
one step previous to that. Does not mean in the half of the task, if you break the rule somewhere and like a fool you go back to the start line. Will you do that?
No, sir.
Is that clear? There are a lot of candidates you will find who will be doing this. So make sure that you have understood. These things are clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if you notice, the task is given. You understand the task. Task is like a question paper. Read the task. Do not read or attempt by the solution. Read the task. By what that I mean, whatever shape, size, pattern, design, structure has been given, read it, analyze it. Structure which is made of a different shape, size and color cannot be changed. That is permanent. You have no control over it. You have some material which can be used in a flexible manner. You may use balli, you may use fatta, you may use rope, you may use anything, or you may use a combination. Are you with me?
Yes.
But you cannot change the structure which has been dug down in the ground. You cannot change the color of that. That is outside your control. Therefore, the answer lies that you should analyze the shape and structure. See how best can it be used with your some scientific thinking. What can you do with your work sense that you can exploit the shape and size and the color and the design and the pattern of that structure. In other words, structure is your question. You have to give an answer. If you don't read the question, how can you give an answer? You start picking up the helping material and start tampering with it. It is something like you take an answer sheet, write down full answer on the piece of paper, and then you look towards the question paper. Hey, partner, now let me match it. Question number 1, no. Question number 2, no. Such student who writes the answer first without reading the question paper, you will agree with me, he has no chance of passing. And by fluke, if he happens to pass, the passing mark will only be 33%. Nothing more than that. It is not possible that he will score very high, because if you have not read the question, answering is based on the question. Am I right?
Yes.
So, therefore, the need is to read that question, analyze it, this structure, and then when you realize that my problem lies this way and this is how I can use it, and then you have your reason and justification towards that thought process. Then if you say, oh, I require something solid which can get locked like this, then when you look down, you will find this helping material there. We have called it helping material. We have not called it solution material. But why are you trying to pick it up like this and start doing the solution? Thinking is this one to that structure, back to this, use this and go inside. But what you are doing, you are not even this, using this, straight away pick up this and start tampering. This is not the way to get into solution. Even if you get one, that will be fluke. So, that won't work. Are you with me on that?
Yes, sir.
So, if third portion is idea of your being first analyzed in your head, working idea. Then you have your reason, no, this will touch the ground because of this fulcrum, that fulcrum, whatever little science you know. Then you translate your idea into action after justifying it to the members. Automatically you will start convincing people more. With me?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt on that?
No, sir.
Once this idea has been made and you know things are okay, workable, you have given it to somebody, now it comes translating into action, putting it into effect. When you are putting this into effect, action starts. Come, you are all equals on the start line. One candidate gives the idea. He becomes a head for that moment. I am observing and recording. Then this chap's idea goes down, the next chap gives it. This dynamics is going on.
Yes, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So my reading or observation is based on that candidate who is contributing. There is a candidate who is understanding everything but standing quiet. I cannot say that he is logical because he hasn't given any logic. I cannot say he is thinking type because he has not proved it to me. I cannot say he is convincing person because he hasn't done anything. I can say yeah, he is a thick nut, but I cannot make that statement because I have not known it. He may be, may not be. So therefore there are a lot of could be questions attached to that. But if you give reason, justification, example and work ahead, those few could be's get automatically resolved. Lesser the could be's for a candidate, better the candidate. With me?
Yes, sir.
Now, further to it, when this action is being translated or put to effect, among the equals, the person who is putting it to effect will come forward. The others will be behind. It is something like rest is tail and here is the head. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
When the head is moving, head will either have his idea which is being translated or somebody's idea which he has understood. Therefore, for head to execute, head has to be attentive. And head can be anybody. In other words, you remain attentive. Spelling नहीं है को हो रहा है? नहीं? Okay. Attentive. If you remain mentally alert and attentive, fine. If you do not remain alert, the candidate gives the idea, you don't understand, and you like a fool come in front and start doing it. Then yes, what do I do next? Where do I do next? Then the testing also feels, here's a chap who is dependent on somebody. Actually, you are not dependent, but you are not listening, you are not attentive, you don't know. Therefore, whenever the task is being taught, throughout, right from the beginning till the end, remain attentive. Otherwise, you will be sending wrong signals to the testing officer. With me?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Once you're working ahead, generally before working starts, first one or two sending in the task becomes a little difficult. How to send the first man in? That is the first step. When I say first man means first one or two. Once those people have gone, then there is hardly any problem. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth will go like that. No doubt.
Yes, sir.
At times you may have a problem with regard to the last or the last two people who are countering the weight or something. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
As you felt it yesterday. So moral of the story is sending the first man in, sending the last man through. These are two hitches. First man, once you are sending, fine. Moment you send the first one or two, start thinking about the last. Start questioning to yourself, what about the last? Don't discuss, don't talk. What about the last? If you get an answer, fine. If you don't get an answer, keep thinking. You would have got 3, 4, 5 minutes by the time the last man's actual position comes. You have gained on 5 minutes of thinking as compared to the others. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, if you get the answer, still okay. When the last man's situation comes, this candidate too is going to talk. Yeah, how will we get the last person in? Before anybody starts thinking, I think it can be done this way, this is the logic, this is the reason, this is how we do it. That is what I want. If you don't get it, and you, otherwise by chance you are not getting the solution, before he says, you say, yeah, that's alright, but let's talk about the last man. I find no last man coming difficult for A, B, C, D reason. But then you are not all that good a person, you are only repeating the question. Repeating the question will not bail you out. With me?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
what happens when the first two men have gone in? Situation is changing. When nobody had gone in, degree of difficulty was something else. But once situation is through, situation has changed, position is 2-3 people here, 2-3 in the top, 2-3 in the start line, oh my God. That time you can polish or improve your executed idea. There is no need to remain stagnant with that very idea, as I proved it to you in that inverted V case yesterday.